Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna learn how to make money online, and specifically today we're gonna learn how to make $10 to $20 every 10 minutes, and I'm gonna give you 2+ bonus tips, websites to earn extra cash on the side. So a disclaimer before I start this video: you don't need any experience, you don't need any money. You can be a parent, a kid, a teenager, any type of person. You can make this amount of money without any experience, without money, without anything. You just have to follow through all the video and don't skip through, because if you skip through you won't make any money. So the first website we have is called Userfeel. Userfeel actually pays you to review products and services, and you can earn crazy amount of money. There's no monthly fees, no subscriptions, no anything. You can also get $60 per test. Like, imagine getting $60 per test and doing it all over again and again every hour. So here are the trusted organizations that you may review about. I think you can recognize one of these brands, worldwide brands. They have over 140,000 testers around the world. They pay clients every day. It's like a crazy website. Like, they pay you a crazy amount of money. Actually, you don't need any subscription, anything. You're gonna get paid. That's actually what we want. You discover websites, you review websites, you review apps, this kind of things, and you give your opinion about the website or the products that they are gonna tell you to review. And you're gonna be paid from from $10, $20 till $60. And yeah, you just have to speak English. And yeah, so let me explain more. First of all, you need to have a video recorder, audio, and sharing a video, so you can test and the websites or the apps they're gonna give you. Second thing is, you don't need any type of subscription. Like, you don't need subscriptions, and there's 40 languages. You can, like, if you're not speaking English, you can just select the site you want to review, maybe French, Dutch, anything, So you can do user testing on any device. You just have you need a laptop or desktop, a mobile phone or a tablet or iPad, your iPhones, Android phone, Samsung phone, Huawei phone, your laptop, your Mac, any type of device. Like, if you have a device and a good internet connection, you're ready to go and earn the bag and the money. So yeah, get your user test results within 24 hours. See how real users interact with your website or app, and discover their issues and needs. So that's a very nice website actually to get started with. Like, you can earn a crazy amount of money from this website. And yeah, if you want to become a user tester, you have to create user. So as I told you guys, you click here to create an account, and you work, and you may earn like hundreds and thousands of dollars per day just from this app alone. The second app or website is called, it's available on Android and Apple Store, by the way. It's moneyapp.org. Actually, you earn money by doing tasks, surveys, watching videos, and this kind of things. And it's actually so easy. But the problem from this website, you're not gonna make like so much money from the first website that I'll show you guys. So this website actually pays you out after 48 hours, and you're gonna pay directly. And by the way, you'll get your money through your PayPal account. If you don't have a PayPal, get your PayPal account right now. It's for free, no money needed, and you'll get your cash. Disclaimer: this website won't make you enough money like the first website, so I prefer the first website that I told you about. So, and the third website, for the people still watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and yeah, you're a real one. If you, this is an extra tip that I want to show most of the guys that are watching till here, you're a real one, and you're a hustler because you want to make the money. You're focused on the video. Great, continue watching the video. The third website is called Honeygain. Honeygain, you can easily earn money by sharing your internet. Actually, don't worry, you won't share your IP address or something sensitive. It's actually just sharing your internet. By they're gonna take the analytics, how the internet works, and actually this website depends on your internet. Let me show you how. So start earning with Hygiene and use the money to pay for streaming platform subscription, free play games, simply treat yourself. Online shopping, it's like a secure, as you guys can see, it's a secure website, and your device will act view towards help world famous businesses access the World Wide Web without having to worry about location based restriction or censorship. So actually Honeygain uses your Wi-Fi for business purposes, and they won't steal anything from their secure website. Nothing will happen to your Wi-Fi. I actually tried it and it's great. It's earning a crazy amount of money. Directly opened on the amount of traffic you share. The more you share, the more you earn. 3 devices recommended. Like if you have 10 devices, you're gonna earn $61. Disclaimer: this won't make you so much money, but actually it's a good like making. Imagine doing a couple of more accounts and doing this trick. It's crazy. You'll earn a good amount of money. So yeah, the more you make an account, more accounts you make, the more you share your Wi-Fi internet connection, you're gonna make more money. And also it depends on your interconnection, and you're gonna get paid by your PayPal or Bitcoin. It's actually a good way to earn the money. You can do it from your Android device, your Mac OS, your Windows, your Android phone, Samsung phone, any kind of phone you have. If you have a device, you can easily make money. But the first website that I told you guys about is the best website to earn the money. So guys, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe to this channel, and share it with 10 or 5 of your friends. Like, help your friends out, help your family members out by sharing this video and helping each other out to make the money, and that's the goal. So don't give up, and see you in the next video.